Thank you very much. Playing in Canada isn't all that great. You have to do everything in metric.
The sun goes down and we're double in town. The colors last for hours, oh. The lights come on, the night's a song, the streets all turn to gold. A gentle mist of heaven kissed like teardrops off an angel's wing. Don't you know you cleanse your soul with a walk in the Irish rain? Oh, Catherine, take my hand, I got 3 pounds and change. And I'll sing you songs of love again, and when I get too drunk to sing, we'll walk in the Irish rain. Step to shore, my sailing days are over, oh. Time and tide and by your side, together we'll grow old. I put my sea bag in the bin, I brought these 3 flowers home. Kiss me, Kate, we'll celebrate before the bloom is gone. Oh, Catherine, take my hand, I got 3 pounds and change. And I'll sing you songs of love again, and when I get too drunk to sing, we'll walk in the Irish rain. And a tailor and a drunken old sailor, they all get together and start to play. Time stands still and they sing their fill, a shout till the break of day. Sweet little lady with a glass of stout, drinking it down till the foam runs out. She'll help her old man home again with a walk in the Irish rain. Oh, Catherine, take my hand, I got 3 pounds and change. And I'll sing you songs of love again, when I get you love to sing. Hey, I'll walk in the Irish rain. Oh, Catherine, take my hand, I got 3 pounds and change. I'll sing you songs of love again, when I do love to sing. We'll walk in the Irish rain, we'll walk in the Irish rain. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you. We are the Woods Tea Company. We're from Northern Vermont. It's our first in-state show in a while. We're just getting back from a tour over to Maine. It's nice to be home on that.
I'm going to do something inspirational for you now, for those of you who haven't been to church. And you know who you are. I know God. First of all, she's Scandinavian. Said to God, what's 1,000,000 years to you? God said, a minute. And the man said to God, what's $1,000,000 to you? God said, a penny. Well, the man said to God, would you give me a penny? And God said to him, yes, I will, in a minute.
It's a wonderful audience, but we're going to need an applause sign for the short songs. Yeah. How many people have seen us before? All right. And we're all, despite all this technical equipment, we're running our own sound, so I should ask if it's loud enough or too loud out there, or it's just right. How many people for louder? Okay, we can do that. Well, you're sitting in the front row.
We could turn it up till your ears bleed.